How to download the Zipcar app on iPhone or Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device. If you have iPhone, open App Store and search Zipcar. After you've searched Zipcar, you'll find different Zipcars according to the country. Select the one you prefer and install it. After you've installed the app, open the app. Now, you'll find this kind of screen. Here, if you already have an account, log into your account. If you don't have one, you can click on Join Now at the bottom, and you're good to go. This is how to download the Zipcar app on iPhone or Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.